Bench Global Ambassador from Korea. He's also here in the country as part of this 2013 World Tour concert entitled My Everything. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Korean superstar and global phenomenon, Mr. Lee Min-ho. There we go. Hi! Hi!
오랫동안 정말 사랑받는 벤치가 됐으면 좋겠어요.
This is his first time, of course, in the Bench Tower, and he loves the look of this, and he hopes that this is a building that is here to stay for a very, very long time. Your second visit, 이번 필리핀 방문이 두 번째신데 좀 색다를 것 같아요. 어떠세요?
저번에 사실 첫 방문 때는 이제 벤치 프로모션차 필리핀을 방문을 하게 되었었는데 정말 너무나 큰 사랑 주셔서 이번에 이렇게 정식으로 첫 공연차 찾게 돼서 너무 기쁘고 내일 공연이 굉장히 기대됩니다.
So the first time he was here, I'm sure you all remember, was because he was promoting Bench, which he is endorsing. This second visit is because of a concert which is happening tomorrow night, and he's very, very excited about that, and he's very happy to be back for your new album, and we're very curious, why is it called My Everything?
아까 얘기하셨듯이 내일 공연이 있고 앨범도 있잖아요. My Everything이라는 앨범이 있는데 그 앨범 타이틀이 궁금해요. 왜 My Everything이라고 지으셨죠?
일단 이 앨범 자체가 팬분들을 위한 기념 앨범 형식으로 낸 앨범이기 때문에 팬분들은 저희 많이 에브리슨이기 때문에 앨범 제목을
So the title of the album, My Everything, really refers to the fans. This is really a gift. This album is a gift to the fans, and because his fans are his everything, he's calling the album My Everything.
일단 바다가 있고 그리고 굉장히 열정적이고 그리고 팬분들을 보면 눈빛이 굉장히 좀 순수한 느낌? 그런 느낌 많이 받는 것 같아요.
First, what sets Manila apart is the sea, the beach, the islands. And then he also feels that his Filipino fans are very passionate. And when he looks into the eyes of his Filipino fans, well, they're very innocent. Innocent? talaga? Okay.
팬분들은 기존에 제가 굉장히 좀 차분하고 그런 위주의 노래들을 많이 불렀던 걸 알고 계실 거예요. 근데 이번에는 아무래도 좀 더 이렇게 팬미팅을 하면서 부족하던 부분을 좀 채우고 싶어서 빠른 템포의 노래들도 좀 많이 넣었고요. 그래서 이제 조금 율동도 좀 섞였고 전보다는 조금 더 풍성해진 공연이 되지 않을까 생각합니다.
So the album, well, his fans probably know that he really prefers slow ballads to sing. But he wanted to mix it up a little bit in this album, so he has a couple of upbeat, medyo dancey tracks in there as well. And he doesn't call it dancing, may mga medyo motion daw siya ng konti that go with the upbeat tracks. This is really just because he has sung in front of his fans before, and he felt like the singing needs a bit of work. So the album is really another way for him to work on that aspect.
일단 열정이 넘치시는 것 같아요.
First of all, they're very passionate. pakinggan nyo nga. Passionate ba kayo?
그리고 뭔가 아름다운 섬이 많아서 그런지 그런 조금 낭만, 여성스러움 이런 것도 또 갖고 계신 것 같아요.
He also feels like maybe because there are so many beautiful islands in the Philippines, it kind of reflects on the fans though as well. Parang he sees the romanticism, the femininity also shows through in his Filipino fans. Totoo ba yun? Okay. Can you please give a special message to your romantic, your passionate, your feminine Filipino fans? Please invite them to your concert. 필리핀 팬들을 초청을 좀 해주세요. 메시지도 남겨주시고.
내일 초청이요?
네. 메시지도.
일단 내일 제가 모로코 아시아에서 공연을 하게 되었습니다. 기존에 이제 작품에서 보였던 모습과 달리 또 이제 가수 이민호는 아니지만 네, 무대 위에서 새로운 이민호의 모습을 네, 보여드릴 수 있도록 하겠습니다. 내일 오셔서 다 같이 즐거운 시간 보냈으면 좋겠고요. 그리고 늘 행복하고 건강하시기를 네, 진심으로 항상 바라보겠습니다.
Okay, so he says tomorrow he will be doing his first official performance in the Philippines, and he's excited to show a different side of him. Not as a professional singer, but you know, a different Lee Min-ho on stage. So he's looking forward to seeing all his fans tomorrow at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. And he says that for his Filipino fans to always be happy and to always be healthy. Okay, we will see you again, right? 다시 오실 거죠, 필리핀?
네.
Yes, he will be back. All right. Everyone, please give a round of applause to our global bench ambassador from Korea.